Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. Too wise, man, finna drop off that spot for y'all, bro. Y'all already knowing how it's going, man. We're finally almost done getting packs in, bro. We on a little break with the unboxing tip. And I'm still retired, but you know what I'm saying, in retirement, I feel like it's my turn to, you know what I mean, educate more than anything. I don't want to show off as much anymore. I just want to give away as much of the game I can as possible, pass it down to the next generation, the next up-and-coming YouTubers, shootubers, or sneakerheads that, you know what I mean, just need a place to come and kick your talk, you know what I mean? I got you, bro, I got you. But today, all that out the way, all my OGs, youngest, they ones, new members alike, y'all know what to do. Hit the like button, bro, cause the lace guy back, you know what I'm saying? The lace guy is back, and yeah. Hit that like button, turn it to a pack, bro. Turn the like button to a pack, bro. How did I forget? We gotta turn the like button to a pack, man. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and notified with a notification bell on all, bro, because I'm finna be giving away a whole bunch of stuff. So bang, let's get into it, man. Today we are lacing up these here, bruh. This is a clean shoe. This shoe straight fire, bro. This shoe straight fire, bro. And this one I'm gonna be lacing up. Now, the yellow laces that come with, dope. That's a good look. I actually like how they mixing up both the pink and the, you know what I'm saying, purple. Well, I'm talking about pink. The purple and the yellow, that's a dope look. But the break necks, bro, you gotta go with the pink. You gotta go with the pink if you wanna break necks with this shoe. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the lavender. This old, you know what I'm saying, blueberry ice cream. We're gonna remove the blueberry ice cream. Get that up out there. You know what I'm saying? Get this old lemon custard up out of there. And we're going with that hot paint. That's how we're gonna do it. Now, me personally, I like to lace my shoes up with them on my foot. And y'all see, bro, I done retired the Yeezy slides, man. Had went on and get me some Boost slides. Dick's Sporting Goods had them on sale, bro. They had them on sale for the lowski broski. I'm talking about like 25 bucks, 25, 29 bucks, something like that. It was a good deal. Your boy wasn't finna pass on them for sure. But yeah, make sure I'm focused up. But yeah, I like to lace mine up with them on my foot. I went with a size 10 on these, and I went with a size 10.5. I went with a size 10.5 and it actually fit perfect. So for the longest, I think, you know what I'm saying, sneakerhead biggest knock against Queston was the bulky look. I always heard guys saying that, yo, they too bulky. That it's a good looking shoe, but it's just big. It's a fat shoe, they bulky. I'm like, all right, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Me, these Iversons, and they dope, so you already know I was going. But I feel like over the years, they've somewhat trimmed the fat on the sneaker, if that makes sense. Because now they fit way smaller than they used to. I used to could be able to get like a 9.5 in Questons and have room. You know what I'm saying? Over the time, I started buying size 10s. And that fit me well, like the pearlized, blue toes, red toes, and I would say the Georgetown pair, the very first Georgetown pair with the gray uppers, all those size 10, and they fit exactly like this do. You know what I'm saying? Now, I would say when they changed the fit, or when they changed the cut, is around when I got my hands on the gold toe joints where you could remove the paint. You know what I'm saying? Those celebration joints where you can remove the paint on them. I'm not talking to you. That's why you can't understand it. My phone going off, man. But yeah. What I was saying. Yeah. I feel like with the joints where you can remove the paint is around like the time where they changed the fit and changed the cut again. Because those in the size 10 are a bit snug. Like, I can rock them, but it's not, I can't rock them all day comfortably. You know what I mean? And how I notice is it's been a change in the size and the shape, because my OG Run G's, he got me an autograph pair of the curtain calls. They are a size 10, but they were made in that era when the cut was different, so they actually feel like a 10.5, like it feels big. You know what I mean? I ain't got that much room in them joints. And with these, the laces are short, bro, so you're gonna have to go 1, 2. These two, you're gonna have to leave those exposed, cause if you go any more, the lace is gonna be too short to hit them with the DS loop, bro. And that's exactly how I'm gonna hit these, with the DS loop. And now I see why they giving you the short laces, so you can put them flavors in there. You know what I'm saying? If you chose to, you could, with the purple and the lavender, or the purple and the yellow. You know what I'm saying? Or the pink and the, yeah, I feel like the pink. Yeah, that pink and that yellow might be a move. Pink or the purple, but I'm gonna just go with the pink and leave it like this for now. You know what I'm saying? With this shoe, I'm gonna hit it with a DS loop. And on the other shoe, I'm gonna do a loose lace job to give you 2 different looks you could choose. You know what I'm saying? 2 different ways you could loose lace these joints, or DS them, or however you wanna do it, bro. We come with 2 different flavors. And for my OGs, youngins, day ones, new members alike, bro, you know we ain't forgot the rules of the lace game. We ain't forgot the rules, man. Rule number 1. Man, woman, cat, dog, female, frog, duck, pig, truck, bro. Y'all know I don't get no flying, flipping, flip. Whoever bought the shoe, that's who has to say and how they should be laced. Rule number 2, man. It's no right or wrong way to lacing your sneaker, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's really no right or wrong way to doing this. You do whatever make you feel comfortable. Do whatever look good to you. And rule number 3, if you don't like me, you don't like what you see, then get the fuck on, bitch. Get your ass from around here, man. You know what I'm saying? Skedaddle, my boy. If you don't like what you see, if you don't like the move, this ain't the video for you, bro. I'm pretty sure it may or may not be another one, you know what I mean? And if I got the only how to lace on this sneaker, then you stuck with your boy, you know what I mean? Get used to me. I'm telling you, bro, I'm a hard pill to swallow, but hey, once you get down what I'm putting down, you know what I'm saying? Once you get in the mix, boy, it's a smooth ride. It's a smooth ride. Well, I'm telling you, I take care of all my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members alike, man. It's always a good time, bro. You know what I'm saying? But everybody ain't gonna like you. That part I do understand. You know what I mean? Everybody ain't gonna like you. Everybody ain't gonna wanna be your friend. You know what I'm saying? Some people just ain't gonna like your face. Some people just ain't gonna like you just cause it's you, bro. And you know what I mean? That's all to the good. So bang. Now these socks, I'm really not trying to match up or nothing. This is just the socks that I was wearing today. But with this sneaker, I kind of want to let you get the vibe of how to look with socks on. So I went on and threw on the Street Fighter stance joints, you know what I'm saying? And with this sneaker, we're going to hit them with the loose lace. Got to make sure I'm in focus. But yeah, with this one, we're going to hit them with the loose lace. All the way to the top, or as far as we can go. And I'm telling you, bro, woo! I'm so glad I didn't say this one. Cause looking down on my feet, man, it's like I never got the Sean Witherspoons, but I get vibes from like the Sean Witherspoon when I look down. You know what I'm saying? And that shoe was dope to me, but I already know I'd never pay resale for it. Like, what's the odds of the Sean Witherspoons restocking? You know what I'm saying? If so, it may be on Air Max Day on some weird stuff in 2030 when I don't even care about sneakers for real no more. But that'll never happen, bro. I don't think I ever not care about sneakers, but y'all see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. By me not ever being able to have the Sean Witherspoons, these give me the vibes of the Seans. And I'm with that, bro. I'm with that. I'm really with that. But yeah. Dang on. This shoe don't want to get laced all the way to the top, bro. Cause I know as soon as I hit it in these right here, they gonna come loose when I'm walking. They gonna come, well, maybe not. Let me see. Might have to get them down a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That'll get it right there. That might do it right there, bro. Yeah, that'll work. They ain't gonna pop out on me. I thought they might pop that on me when I'm walking around, but nah, I'm gonna be Gucci. And that's it, bro. 2 different ways you can rock these. I need to get rid of these tags. These are being kept. These getting kept, bro. This just a hot one, boy. This a hot one right here. But yeah, man. Y'all know what time it is. We gotta drop that 360 on foot time. Salute all my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members again. Please hit that like button if you haven't already, man. We're gonna get a 360 up. Blast the music, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoy my little tutorial on how to lace the ice creams. You know what I'm saying? Yo, peace out. I'm finna get up out of here. Do. Don't worry.